In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Square Inventory. By the end, you'll know how to turn on inventory tracking, add or update items, and keep your stock counts accurate as you sell and restock. Start by signing in to your Square dashboard and heading to your item library. You'll find it under Items and Services, sometimes labeled Items and Inventory or Item Library, depending on your view. This is the home base for everything related to your products. Next, open Settings and choose Inventory. Toggle on. Enable inventory tracking for new items. This ensures that any items you add from now on will automatically track stock levels. If you already have items in your library, you can also choose Enable Tracking for all existing items. Keep in mind, items without previous stock will start at 0. So be sure to enter the correct quantity right away so they don't show as sold out by mistake. If you haven't added your items yet, do that now. Each item should include a clear name, price, and a SKU or identifier. If you sell variations, like sizes or colors, add those too. Inventory tracking requires items to exist in your library first. After tracking is enabled, Square will automatically reduce stock when a sale is made, as long as you're using items from the item library during checkout. To monitor your stock, go back to the dashboard and navigate to Items and Services, then Inventory Management and Open Stock Overview. Here you'll see your items and variations, along with stock on hand for each location. Use filters for location, category, or vendor to quickly focus on what matters, like checking a single store or reviewing a specific brand. When you restock or need to correct counts, open an item from your library. Under Manage Inventory, click the on-hand quantity, choose the appropriate action, such as stock received, inventory recount, damage, or loss, enter the new quantity or the change amount, and save. If the item has variations, adjust the specific variation under its inventory section so the right size or color gets updated. A helpful habit is to add a short note when adjusting counts so you can remember why a change was made later. If you're updating many items at once or doing periodic counts, use bulk adjustments or imports to save time and keep everything consistent. That's it. With tracking enabled, accurate item details, and regular stock updates, Square Inventory will keep your counts in sync as you sell and restock across your locations.